I am Maria Anastasi from the Cyprus Research and Innovation Center, coordinators of Code Reform, a project that's coming to an end. We're very excited to share some very valuable results that we have found through all the assessments, all the health and welfare indicators and assessments, the development of novel tools, as well as considerations for the consumers and from the consumers with the execution of taste panels. The project ran successfully for 4 years. We've learned a lot throughout these 4 years, and we're very excited to take these collaborations with all our partners from Code Reform to further research ahead.
The objective of the project was to reframe farming systems depending on the consumer's demands. For this reason, we initially decided that it would be critical to characterize and produce an appropriate typology for the farming systems. Based on this decision, we investigated specific farming systems, and namely the extensive and intensive farming systems for goat farming. Based on the results from our investigation, we decided and we selected specific pilots that had typical traits of the farming systems we wanted to investigate. After that, we selected a 2-year prospective study, and we visited the farms every second month in order to collect some specific health and welfare, production, and behavioral data of the animals. At the end of the study, we came to some conclusions on which are the main challenges that challenge specific farming systems. So what we saw is that in intensive systems, most of the challenges have to do with the management of the farmer, while in the extensive systems, most of the challenges have to do with grazing, with parasites, and also with nutritional deficiencies. Based on these results, we can now decide which are the most appropriate decisions we need to make in order to support the sustainability of the specific farming systems.
I would like to talk a little bit about the importance of the microbiome in cheese production and dairy farming in general, and most specifically today about its relationship to goat farming and the impact it has on the quality of cheese. The work that REM Analytics did within Code Reform was to develop a test that would allow us to measure the most important microorganisms of goat milk and identify signatures of these microbes that can relate to product quality, but also animal welfare, milk quality, and to find ways that we can improve the quality of the milk through animal management in a way that is linked to the microbiome.
In the project, we are responsible for the poultry pilot sites. So different farmers in the Netherlands, they participated in this project, and we collected their eggs and carcasses of broilers, and we sent it to our partners in the project in Greece, in Italy, to have it analyzed. And next to that, we also were responsible for the part about the training. So make sure that the knowledge that is developed in a project, make sure that new students for poultry can also have that knowledge, and that's also transferred to farmers.
Taste panels were another part of the Code Reform project. Blind taste panels were conducted at 5 different locations in 4 different countries: in Greece, Italy, Switzerland, and the Netherlands. 4 different products were evaluated: goat cheese, goat milk, eggs, and chicken meat. Generally, there is a widespread perception that the quality of the products is closely associated with the farming system. However, our results indicated that the preference varied. Generally, there were differences observed based on consumers' background.
We're collaborating as ICCS in this project, and we try to bridge the 2 worlds together in the agriculture sector, the computer vision and technological world, with cutting-edge applications for animal health and welfare monitoring. Our goal is to install camera-based systems on agriculture sector. We want to set up cameras in milking parlors to monitor animal activities, to monitor body condition score, and overall animal health status materials by using and exploiting artificial intelligence. With artificial intelligence and specifically convolutional neural networks, we can identify patterns on the body of the animal, and with these convolution operations, we can classify images into useful materials for farm management. And for example, bad condition score, piling events on poultry sector, and lameness through computer vision solutions.